to my channel Educating Rural Youth CAIIB Advanced Bank Management. In this video we are going to cover what is primary sector, what is secondary sector, what is tertiary sector, MSME definition and important questions from Macmillan book. Unit 6 Indian economy and various sectors of the economy. So here in this unit we are going to discuss different sectors of the Indian economy. The average growth rate of Indian economy over a period of 25 years since 1980-81 was about 6%. So whenever we take the average of growth rate from 1980-81 to till date 25 years average, it was 6%. 2000 and 2001 to 2007 and 8 the growth rate is 7.2% when compared with 2003 to 2007 and 8. So here from 2001 to 2007 and 8 the growth rate was 7.2% when it is compared with 2003 4 to 2007 8. Sectors of Indian economy. So Indian economy has different sectors like agriculture sector, industrial sector, micro and small enterprises sector and service sector. We have primary sector and secondary sector. Third one is tertiary sector. So in these primary sectors we use the natural resources directly like agriculture, forestry, fishing, fuels, metals and minerals. So here in this secondary sector, this primary sector materials are used as a raw materials. So companies like automobiles, textiles comes under secondary sector. Tertiary sector is nothing but service sector. In this we have education, banking, insurance, transportation and tourism. Then we will discuss types of economy. Agrarian economy. If GDP of this primary sector is more than 50%, then it is called agrarian economy. Next, industrial economy. If the GDP of this secondary sector is more than 50%, then it is called industrial economy. Then service economy. If the GDP of this service sector is more than 50%, then it is called service economy. Agriculture sector is one of the most important sectors of Indian economy. So here in India, most of the people live on agriculture. That's why agriculture is one of the most important sector of Indian economy. Agriculture sector accounted for 17% of GDP in 2008 and 9. So here the agriculture sector only contributes 17% of Indian GDP. Industrial sector accounts for 19% of GDP in 2008 and 9. About 1/3 of the industrial labor force is engaged in simply household manufacturing only. So in GDP 2008 and 9, the industrial sector contributes only 19%. In this 19%, 1/3 people only engaged in household manufacturing. Central Statistical Organization classifies the industrial sector into three segments: mining and quarrying, manufacturing and electricity, gas and water supply. The CSO classifies the industrial sector into three categories. The first one is mining and quarrying, the second one is manufacturing and electricity, third one is gas and water supply. Sector of MSME is accounted for around 39% of total industrial production, 34% of the exports in the industrial sector and around 35% of total employment among the units engaged in manufacturing and services. If we take the manufacturing and services sector, the only MSME sector contributes 39% in industrial production and 34% in exports and 35% in employment. The MSMED Act 2006 classifies enterprises broadly into two categories: manufacturing enterprises, service enterprises. The Act, the MSMED Act 2006, that classifies the enterprises into two categories. The first one is manufacturing enterprises, the second one is service enterprises. These broad categories are further classified into micro enterprises, small enterprises, and medium enterprises depending upon the level of investment and plant and machinery and equipment as the case may be. So here enterprises are furtherly classified into three categories. First one is micro enterprises, second one is small enterprises, third one is medium enterprises depending upon investment as well as turnover. Now we will discuss latest classification of micro, small and medium enterprises. First one, micro enterprises. Here we should have investment less than 1 CR and turnover less than 5 crores. Then small enterprises. If the investment less than 10 crore and turnover less than 50 crores. In medium enterprises, we should have investment less than 20 crores and we should have turnover less than 100 crores. These are the latest classifications of micro, small, medium enterprises. Sector accounts for about 2/3 of India's GDP, 64% in 2008-9. So if we take the Indian GDP, the service sector contributes 2/3 of it. Service sector is also called as a tertiary sector. So we can call service sector as a tertiary sector. Now we will discuss the important questions from Macmillan book. The average growth rate of Indian economy over a period of 25 years since 1980 and 81 was about which percentage? 6%. What sector is called as primary sector in India? So we call agriculture sector as a primary sector. CSO classifies the industrial sector in how many segments? So CSO classifies industrial sectors into three categories. So this one is the answer. MSE means micro and small enterprises. Service sector is also called as we can call service sector as a tertiary sector. The share of service sector in national income from the last 10 years is, so here the service sector is from last 10 years it is increasing.